Alright, this is STB Donovan, STB. Just want to let you know, everybody should comment, rate, and subscribe on this video. Might be my last one for a little while. Summer's hitting, so I'm going to be out riding for a while. Start with the back. This is what I'm riding this summer unless something happens, but got my Assault back rim to my Demolition Monaco tread, and 14mm completely sealed back hub, 14mm stock peg to my pink Colt heavy chain with a Black Ops micro SD sprocket, Eastern stealth cranks, Eastern pedals, animal stripe pivotal seat with the stolen choker seat clamp with the Thermalite post. Just a standard Eastern mid-bottom bracket. My frame is the Eastern Boss in black. Overall pretty nice, really light. Not an aftermarket, but I mean it's one of the more expensive frames. Got a Odyssey Elementary V3 stem with the gyro plates on it. Don't like it. Tried to break them off, didn't work so well, so I gotta sand that down, file it out. Got my Animal sway bars with my Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips with Eastern nylon bar ends to my Odyssey Classic Dirt 2 forks. Very nice, light. Can compare them to the Fit Shivs, but a little bit more durable. My front ramp is a Eastern Curb Monkey HP, so the better edition of it, with a Sun Big City light rim in chrome, 14mm hub, fully sealed front, standard stock peg. Overall, this bike's coming to about, I don't know, 23 pounds. Like, not saying like bikes shouldn't really go by their weight, just what you can do on it. But here, hold on, I'll give you a hub sound. Alright. There we go. Pretty good. Don't got my chain tensioners on, but I have Poverty chain tensioners that go on the back. Pretty good. Yeah, this bike, 21-inch frame, 2.3-inch wide front tread, 2.25 back, like the big tires. If I get anything, I'm probably going to move up to the FAFs and probably get new grips. So leave comments on possibly what I should get for that. Oh, and my pink Twisted PCs are on the way. Alright, but this is my bike check. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Remember, watch all my videos. Some of them my brother posted. Might be a little bit retarded. But, yeah. Thanks for watching.